The problem of deterioration of reinforced concrete basements is widespread in many coastal cities. And it usually starts off as a ingress of the groundwater through the walls. And usually you'll see that as the paint starting to come off, usually where the floor meets the wall. And sometimes you may even see a brown stain on the wall. That brown stain is not the water. That brown stain is the steel corroding. Now, normally what an owner will do, he'll call somebody to remove that paint and to repaint it. So there are two problems with that. The first problem is that in your wall, now you've got the perfect corrosion melting pot. You have lots of air, you have salt, and you have water. So that staining that you're seeing is in fact your steel corroding. So it is totally inefficient or totally a waste of money simply to repaint. You need to think about how to arrest that corrosion. So what are the options available to an owner? You can remove that concrete and put new cement and perhaps even new steel. Now what that does is it creates what we call a macro cell effect, where you will have the area right next to that repair will start to corrode preferentially. You've created a corrosion cell in effect. So what happens in about a year to 2 years? Right adjacent to the area which you repaired, you're going to have to do another repair. And this goes on and on and on for many years until the building is totally resurfaced. So what are the other options that are available to you? The minute you see that staining or that corrosion impact, what you want to do is do that repair and deploy a cathodic protection system for that target area. Cathodic protection, what you're doing is you're arresting corrosion, and there is no more metal loss on the steel which is inside your wall or on the floor of your basement. And that's really important, because if you start losing thickness on your steel bars, that means that you're impacting the structural strength of your building.